Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Strong tori for mommy them and papa them. May they sabi say pikin them where they be the go school just for go school. Their own academic year don't finish. It means say now only pikin them where they write exam. They go start school for number 1 day for June 2020. That one now the special talk that way Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute. He give them for country people them on Friday when na commandia to way come out for up for inside A to D. Now it means say other primary school picking them where they no get exam their own school year. He don't finish. We go talk that palaver inside Tori for this afternoon. Sabi say PG News debate. Now for we for turn back for things the way they happen inside the week. Inside this week, we be talk palaver for inside quarter them. Roads where no they find accident then two they happen. We be lost more than 15 people them. For we wrote them this week we will enter. We go talk that palaver. Now so too we go talk chapter for Northwest and Southwest. Sabi say Oga Paul Tasong and John Donatus they behold their first Ndonga men since where they be give them cheer like people there they get for lookout say Northwest and Southwest. It turn back 36 billion money where they go use them for the first year as where they go build Northwest and Southwest. We go talk that chapter this afternoon. Chapter 2 for Corona. We no go level for one side. Wanna sabi say na for Sika Corona. Waiting them for country. They dey jaga. School picking them. Their year don't finish. Bine too, it don't spoil. How the country dey, how the Corona too, it dey happen. We go try for talk this palaver for PG News debate inside Equinox Story House. We glad forget a new person, new family member of it talk. For Sikazo go always get it all time. They say for Queen Elisa, they say ladies before gentlemen, woman before man. So I want to say a salute, Sister Ernestine Chindia, where you don't join me for the first time. Afternoon for you.
Good afternoon, Ambassador. I throw a salute for all country people the way they did for especially Bonaberry and Douala. And I throw a salute for any man where they play inside studio too.
All right, and Sister Ernestine Chinda, you don't join me for this side. We get Evangelist Ben Awabi, where me are the calling at Ben Best. I salute you.
Thank you, Ambassador. I'll be very happy, as you know, in my house. So I think we're there today for talk, wait till it happen for our country, and wait till we're done this see. I will go talk. So thank you very much.
All right. Before we enter for the Tori Sef we did for inside the book, before we enter for them, just for Sabi say Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute, when I head from Gomnam, where he hear all talk from up from A to D. Yesterday, when a Friday, it be make special announce for talk say school year for other picking the way they know the right exam, their own it don't end, so school no day again for them. Now it means say when school go start for number 1 day for June. Now only that's picking them where they the right exam, one them for primary and college where they the right exam. They go turn back for school for Sika this palaver for Corona. Sabi say according to the new calendar where they put them for outside for school picking them. Number 1 day for June when they go start for learn book. By July they go don't finish write all their exam. From August so they reach for September. Now that period where they go get them own third term holiday. Number 5 day for October when a teacher's day. Now they did that way they so. New school year for Cameroon, it go start 2020-2021 and Sabi say the new school year for number 5 day for October month 2020, it go consign na primary school and college school picking them. Number 15 day for October, university picking them. They go enter too for start school for 2020-2021 academic year. So for inside June when school go start, mommy and papa na only picking them where they did write exam at the social talk, only picking them where they write exam, where they go school. No be na all the whole picking them or no na all school go open. Na only the one the way they did write exam according to way Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute. He talk and on top that one, Mommy Ernestine or Sister Ernestine, make we try for talk. This school year we don't just end some kind of style. You for house, you get picking them. How you see them?
For me, the initiative where they don't take and say me picking and go back for school, especially the one that they write exam, na very good initiative. At least it go first help for reduce the population for picking away go there for inside one class, so that made they sick, no spread. That school fee take just let's say from 5 and upper seat, or maybe the class 6 class we picking it at the right, they go fit space them for inside school fine, so that made they no get congestion. Then secondly, go permit seme pikin dem to not just waste the academic year. Pikin dem wey dey write exam go fit write now for go for the next class, then the other classes they go easy now for teachers and to for manage their own situation dem. So I think na very good initiative.
All right, Evangelist, plenty dey talk. National Tori House, it be the show, it be in fact, I talk say school inside tele where they be the show but plenty they don't talk say no be na all people they be get time for look tele time where they be teach picking them for house. That one where they be don't learn them, it sure say it go be enough for say make this picking them when they start school for June. Someone the way they be just for house, they don't surely forget book for catch up, so they write exam, they pass fine.
Yeah, Ambassador, I think when they be start show that thing for tele, my own question when me I be asking for ask and say, how the people the way they for area where they no get light and they need to watch television and they begin they go school, how they go do if everything will go come for the exam will be get for the follow for a national television for way they be the teacher. Now my first question that be first ask and the first time I be see the way they be they do. I no talk say bad, it be very good, but that one the way they no get television like you go for after Kambe inside, you go after Kumba, you go from Bonge inside, you go right from Mondemba inside. That one they don't get television, how they go do. And number two, I be the time I picking the other day for us. I think my woman be the talk. I talk say this thing there they show them for television, so make the poor eye very well because now this thing they go come. I don't believe say national television go they teach something where you know go get you. So any people you go follow that thing. Now you go succeed with that exam. But it's a good, it be a very good thing where they be start up. May they continue.
Now, one of the things where mommy them and papa they get for Sabi where they don't talk. Now say, picking them when they start school for number 1 day for June. They go she done at least 50-50 for inside one class. That one now for this social distance palaver we no get for she done over for corner some person. And number 2 thing, they say mommy and papa they get for see make picking them go for school all day with face masks for cover their mouth and their nose. Now, some person ask the question, say na ngomna he go give that face mask them or na papa and mama them. Maybe you go live for talk something from top that chapter.
For me, prevention be better than cure. If I know say my pikin go school, go carry sick, why I no go buy face mask for 200 francs? Face mask not expensive, na 200. The hand sanitizer too not expensive, na around 500 francs. Or if not, they say buy just normal spirit. You put them for bottle, you get them for the pikin when reach anytime, make sure say he rub his hand them. More not take risks because say they want the same all thing government. Yes, government don't say go give them, but you go wait until when government can get them for your own time. You go try first for secure the pikin in life, then before government can get them. If government get them, fine. If government no get them, we go do her ambassador. No, we go just continue for try the way we don't try.
All right.
I agree with my sister Chinda. Wait, don't talk. Ambassador, the truth way about this thing I say. If we do wait now, only government, make government bring
face mask.
Cameroonians and I say we country will funny. Even face mask to the women and government can't give away. You get 5 picking that they go school. You want me that picking they go go acquire knowledge for big people tomorrow. You will make government can't give face masks. If some people they ask that kind of question, it's funny because face masks are how much. If you use a fish one for house, at least every family for Cameroon. Because of the poverty we do for our nation, every family for Cameroon get at least one person will learn tailoring, whether I like or not. Yeah. Find that person, maybe so find rapper, go for rapper market, buy the rapper, this chichi rapper the way they did the way some they get a call of Bamenda clothes, some they get a call of Bamenda Clicos, cut them. So the face masks you are picking them. You should not say you wait for government. Government will can't give face masks. More because has better thing for government. Make government can't give you money. Maybe face mask. So, but if the government give them, fine. But I believe say the government no go to promise people face masks now. It go funny.
But we sabi say yesterday, plenty carton them for face masks the day we Nkunkuma give for Grand Tango, where it then for send them for the 10 region them. We yesterday buy that face mask in total amount na 2 million francs CFA they use them for buy that face mask we Grand Tango be taken yesterday. But also sabi we no know who it go reach and who no go reach.
Just the amount you talk 2 billion or 2 million.
2 million.
2 million. True. Face mask or 2 million if you correct Cameroon.
Well, now the amount where they use and buy all the face masks because they get for go. They get for go for the 10 regions.
If they want go for the 10 region, that means they go just end up with the main capital then for the region.
They talk precisely for that thing saying for people for, their hand in
no reach for less privileged people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, people there they no fit afford but the face mask.
Now plenty people they ask who be these people then? It go reach them.
It no be.
Now one question that will never know.
It no be possible. Because something the way I don't ask you that image monitor you see you show on for Monday. When I be see that to me I be vexed. I no go lie you.
One bag rice
cartoon soap. They say na 2 way pop be say now. May go for this. Imagine all the people that go for that place they vex. I don't know why I never even show that to you because I don't prepare my heart for talk about that thing. But no problem.
All right, that one will keep on for Monday. So we don't talk. A palava people there they denying cargo the way Kunkuma begin for them. But inside story for this morning time, we go start for inside we own quarter then say before we go turn back for Corona. We take una go for entrance for Carrefour Music. Now one of the places in that way they so it cause people them confusion just now for Carrefour Music. Roads day water way turn up so for dumb up and I just road way they enter for Carrefour Music. Now hole it day for that place and adjust for corner quota, sideway quota the pass. No motor, degree for pass for middle. All motor then the pass now only for corner for sika big hole where it dey for just for corner the sideway they don't quota roads. These people then say they cry, say that the members say they like say they don't forget them or they don't forget this part for Douala for inside Cameroon. The road only for entrance, but people that the beg say if they no can fix that one, as well that water then they turn up all day, the ground it go the soft, na so to go the dig, enter for under sideway quota to it pass. One day we go yes a road for inside Bonaberry, it don't cut into two. When na for sika say they forget or they neglect this whole way in the tip, they go as we water, it don't turn up for day. And just for on top the same palava for inside that road for Carrefour Music, we no end for entrance, we be waka enter, they call them say Bojongo Abedi, they say Bojongo white man people them, whether na white man, but make we enter, or we will try for see where to way that road for Bojongo Abedi, ide. Now former road this, as well here, Kolta, if you don't pass on this road before, the road, if you go from Konsamba, if you come up for Bekoko, people they be take and say go for Southwest, but since we fix the new road where we work on top for inside Bonaberry, this other road they don't forget them. As well they forget them too. Now so the road it don't rotten. We no day for people then say for waka pass and they beg just now. Say maybe if na mayor he get power or na even na person way they call them say city mayor for Douala he get power or na people then for public works make them say the check sense. Even na just for grader road, throwaway ground for day where Poto no go dey plenty, it go help these people them for inside Bojongo Abedi plenty as we waka for inside that road for top this palava. Thank God on a two commander for Bonaberry forever and Rai.
Rai beta
Sister Ernestine, na road this and a road where people they don't deliver on top since.
Ambassador Chuchu, this particular road I passed there on this week Wednesday. It really be shocking. Say this road, they say that the first roadway it be the main entrance for enter inside Douala. And that road they be make and find. I say with time it don't spoil, so no maintenance, it don't finish worse. This road, if you use even your motor for day, you no go like them because the motor go surely broke into two. People that they pass with cow, they pass only for day. And I believe say this cow then too, they go for that cattle market, they pay taxes then, businesses then there for inside that place. Where even if now waiting, make as the people the beg, may city mayor or na the mayor for Douala for, may they try for look into this way. Never just grade them. If they grade I go better pass for get those half star them where the broke people their motor there or the small bikes and way or brother that they manage the rider. So may they really look at because the road bad. If you go, it long and really bad.
Yes, and former roads and roads with plenty people that they pass for there.
Ambassador, I don't just hear about that road, but I never ever pass there. The highest place where I don't end for the school where they call some school day inside there, where some big college where I don't reach for there. But they don't always tell me say that one be being at the first road where people that be take and go Konsamba, go Limbe, go Boya. But if the road fit be abandoned, so and we get a city, now they call am city mayor, the other time government delegate, I don't know the difference. I dey still check am. I believe say one day we go talk more, know the difference, because I don't know the difference between city mayor and government delegate. So if they fit look this road, I beg the fix am for we, so that people feel the take and save. They would remember we are picking them, because na big history this for our country, mostly for Douala here. Say na the first road this, and if people dey go stay for place where na the first road, they still see the first road, it is still be so. They make her the confirm so many things, say things they need to work out for our country. So I beg, if people they doing that, then they know say that they in charge of something like this, may they try look these people they do, because them not the first time. Now the very road where they be show sometime where electrical for water, I think some car the one pass, they die for that entrance, something like that. So many kind of stories that they come up for this road. And rich people then too they for that same quarter, more knowledge just throw out for the government. Where they fit try for see how they fit contribute, for maybe some gutters so that water fit come out as we do, and sometimes one time for forever. Because forever now almost the same thing.
All right, and we get some wawa breaking tori. Iwawa plenty, but we'll surely try for come back after. We just also make investigate, but the story wawa over. We hear say Percy will be turn up like we be one be president, the only prophet will be turn up. We be one be prophet, I want be president for we country. Ndi for Franklin Afangwi, we hear Congo side the talk say they like say don't die for Sika Palava Corona. Now some what we just enter we hear just now, according to which way they enter for we hear for this side. So just now we also the tonton for see they like say Prophet Franklin Ndi for Afangwi say he don't die, and Sika Corona as we already they enter we hear. So maybe by the end of the day we'll go surely try for develop, but as we talk I hear say Congo side. When we finish, we'll go surely go down for go make investigate evangelist.
Okay.
Now some what we chose the enter we never really fit for balance.
You don't just the talk and so if you look my eye, it be like say I want cry bet. I know one believer. I know one believer. I believe after some investigation,
yeah,
I think that time we will confirm if not true or not be true. But as a servant of God, me, I know one believer.
okay.
It already changed my mood. It already changed my mood because now they give you that news, say what see and what they give you.
Yes.
But more just investigate. I believe say no be true.
Well, we pray. We pray
so.
Say it not be too bad.
So.
Now the breaking war story that we'll get for this afternoon. So we'll surely see what we'll do on top this palaver. Well, I'll be sorry.
I know one believe. I know one believe.
Joe, take yourself down. Yeah.
I know one believe.
All right. Make we continue for this side. No easy, but we'll surely continue for talk. So palava for road country people them. We go take una go for Bodmakak. Yes, we don't with the talk palava for this prophet in the for family. Now just the breaking to we enter we here after we will come up for here. Maybe we will surely continue for make investigate. They say don't die, and they say for Sika palava for corona as we to re-enter for inside we here. Sister Ernestine.
Wow. If I get for talk something about this particular thing, our world news, as we all we don't hear, no man not like when people die. Mm-hmm. But this one, I just for make everybody learn sense. Say this corona thing a Trump thing. Because we don't know say prophet they don't perform miracle them, they don't heal people. But corona don't come for situation where the whole world will look up for see what I will get on this miracle that always happen. But unfortunately, corona itself don't pass miracle because it don't kill all man. Even white man will get all scientific solutions and for problem they will get out of the ground. It kill them. So now just for tell we say the corona there and it strong. May all man be very careful.
All right, still some more to really enter for this palaver. This one news we'll just get. Now say true, he don't die, but say na corona, it never be confirmed. So we this also wait. So the true na say don't die, but say na corona, we never yet know. So we will continue for talk on top that palaver for other to read them for inside the Equinox story as well. We did talk Asha already for all people them for outside there they be Sabi and even Evangelist Ben we there for a corner we skin the enter fine for inside. You be man picking. Just calm down and we will continue for on top this palaver. Well, at Warren, maybe we'll go left this palaver some more, even as the news don't fall. Make we continue for inside we to begin for talk. Make we take una go for road for Bodmakak. Now for inside Young and Kele division for Central region, where the people themselves they decry for Sika Road, Bod Makak, na subdivision for inside Central region, but when rain it don't start fall, themselves they decry their roads, the roads in no day. DO for inside Bod Makak says Sabi say road na big problem, and when the kind of time don't reach, now for say may they stop big motor them where they weigh more than 7 tons for they may they no work on top the road. Now the own motor says that where be one go dash from Kunkuma way be give am. A motor says tight for road, but na just for tell we say plenty time they don't talk say they don't give a project for road say may they fix am. But so now the road is also the kene no be na only motor people them, even Okada when na thing way people they talk say no go worry for road. Okada too it is here bad for Sika Palava for road for inside Bod Makak. Sister Ernestine now place this way this home. If one talk all thing for this side, now for people there they don't talk chair first person, but the people them all year they get the same problem roads, and even the deal it don't confirm say this so that road now the road it will keep people there.
Ambassador, this na really for 21st century what they look and so the still country we still need to understand what it happen. And each time when I travel I pay toll gate, I no go lie, I vex. I really vex because you go the pay toll gate, na money that way they be take and manage and well, they fit develop other roads them. They will know they get the kind of situation for inside our country. Na road that for Central region, I say they corner Yaoundé. Corner Yaoundé. Where you just come out Yaoundé, you go there, you no go far. People the way they around the Yaoundé, say there's no gateway if you can see them. Even give them the small face masks on a hand sanitizer where Kunkuma don't send them. So na really shame for our country. May they try for the use with money the way they collect and fine. They say toll gate na for road. Would they pay them? They do it with that money. May they collect this money, develop with roads them. May they make annual budgets them. Then try to follow up with contractors them. Because I'm not gonna lie you, Ambassador, when you want to talk most cases they go say contractor don't go collect money for government. It can go should for some time. So when they even travel go the white man country. No man no there for follow up. You never ever hear say they lockless on 2-3 contractor. The minister they say where they get for the control all these kind of things. If minister come up for the motor tight as it tight now so may it vex follow up with the contractor. If you don't collect money, may they lock them too, show them, may all man see them. For when any other person go stand for take one contract, he go make sure say he work and he work and well.
All right, and as we to re-enter for inside we EM on top this Palava for roads, the project say me they walk that road, they don't send them since, but people then for up so now they never talk anything about the road. So do your own work. Now say when rain don't start come, all motor there they get way more than 7 tons, may they no enter again.
Ambassador, time will be for what will grow for Southwest Day, precisely for Mbonge side de Boa Bakundu. Oh God, Ambassador, I know lie you. That news.
I understand.
When I hear about Yaoundé the first time, I just know say Yaoundé will not forget this kind of road for day. Anything I hear about Central, I be just know say they wonderful fine. Now so I be get that from my mind. But when I still see this kind of thing them for day, then me say they talk say that means we for Southwest that side we know who better because now you on the side is look what we did it. That not different no they we road way they come up back we condo titi. Wonderful. The who side this country they go.
Now then they talk say they want do automatic toll gate them, electronic way they will control them. Now when people they pass
Ambassador, that toll gate then they be now for place where road already fine. Road over fine, the one go do automatic toll gate, they do one for which road? For this kind of road, and or for country still get this kind of road. So for me, I don't really know which way. No vex or Ambassador, if you see my mood don't really change because of the news I don't hear.
Oh, if you understand.
Yeah, the news don't really change because that my friend, I just met him 1 month ago, where he enter some bank, he see me, call me, he said, what I can do? I said, no, one can do some small transfer for through my internet, this thing, so that I can make publicity for something. Now if you move that money for back, give me. I need to be very strong. So when I hear this kind of thing, I beg no vex. I just be, I don't know why I come for this program today. And today that news they come. So now the thing that we see my mood, I dey try to fight them as a man.
You need for fight.
I just need to fight
Evangelist,
them.
you go tie hard,
Yeah, I
die,
just need to
die,
fight them.
die
You
the
need for
camp
tie
for
hats.
any time.
Yes,
My
just get
pastor
fight.
just recently tell me say it dey like popcorn for inside fire. Where when you don't know the popcorn where fire go over hot, it pop and makes a poof, it just puff.
I
So
don't
we
tell
just
people
get for
say-
the acceptor.
But we thank God say the news will bring her in and say they never knew whether na corona.
Yes.
Because
Even though the first one,
Yes,
so
mm,
now
so
whether we will be
they
insist.
never conclude so that
Wow.
people no go
Corona.
carry her now.
Wow,
Because
say
man fit
Equinox
die.
don't
So
talk say-
Equinox don't talk say no.
So-
they never talk say na corona. They still find out
Yes.
for know if the situation for our brother, the prophet, the man of God,
Na
it been at the
corona.
situation on the corona issue. May they no go talk say ambassador and evangelist Ben, because when it concern pastor, I dey be very careful as I dey talk. They never talk say na corona. They don't talk say he don't die, but they dey still make investigation for no wait way he kill him.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That one na full stop. So
Yeah.
make some people they no go quote for sick as anything happen for outside. They ever talk say Equinox don't talk say. Equinox don't talk say. So we this also continue for talk Asia. Now we want to meet away for inside Tori House this afternoon. We never finish. Before that Tori enter, make we take una remain for Bojongo way na palava for land where it cause people then say for comot. For outside, for that side, so for Bojongo, inside this week we'll just finish up. 500 square meters land where we hear say DO Ibidon already do it in DO Ibidon talk say make they stop work for this 500 meters square land, but even as when they stop work they be the follow the case for court case it shows a person where be get the land if they be don't give the go ahead the people that they be the work where they no be na them they be talk say make they come out, but it be dead like say uniform put them say they be get eye on top the land they come 6 people them cargo them so people them for that side when they say they get land they be come out for talk say no say they no want that kind of open eye where uniform people then say they do away na them they can't drive them on top land 6 people them cargo them where they be the walk on top land even this woman will be the talk so we hear say they lucky from Gata for plenty days only for sake of this land where them say we hear say they get authorized and they plenty authorize them that and even book way come up for courthouse where they show say the land it be come out now for their house but so now it be then a chapter where they be the fight on top so then say they come out for talk say place for uniform man now for inside office and for local security for people them no be now for can make open eye for people them on top land where it dey show say na them say they be don't get them as we cut book it dey show am for we Ben Best we dey talk every day for inside house land nothing will go surely die and na the same land go swallow we but every day we dey fight for on top that land.
Now you me I dey always talk say before you buy land, first time me to ane be know am. Yeah, we be go buy some one place to just like this, and up to now they still give you some small stand head. But when you want buy land, first of all go see what the French people they call them notaire. You go see a notaire for find out about that land before you put your money for them, because Douala dey so. No way, no day where you go see empty land for play where houses they don't be. You buy and waste some problem, no day. Before you dey buy and no say at least 2 or 3 or 4 people they already put their hand for that particular land. So for some you no die for Cameroon, mostly for Douala here because of plava land. Anytime you want buy land, go find out first before you put your money. At the top because me too have already be victim. So I no one make some man to go be victim again. Those people that for quarter they can show you all kind book. Maybe not them go give you the solution. They no fit. Go straight for a notaire. You find out weighty about the land. You tell you the area where the land is. When you tell the person the area where the land is, the he go find out. You tell you the plot, the number of the plot, and he go find out for tell you say no, madam or Mr. Man, no put your hand or no put your money for this thing. This land get problem, and the place where the land is. All problem don't always be for that place. Now around that Faith Bible Church for back. So my own advice I want to give people them for when it come for land.
You too, we don't get problems since you enter Douala.
My own problem never even finish because since 6 years we'll be house, we dey inside the same pot soup like that people. But we all different now. Say the place where we build normally now water the camp day, so we don't buy the place, we don't develop them. We talk about more than 50 houses here. with more than 250 persons where they live for that particular environment. Just for Shida one morning time, one other woman come with document them, say be lawyer, say that land there so it belongs to one of his clients them, and say that land there so all we would do they will get for rebuy, because actually place where they are the stand they talk, they don't put we pillar them all over. That means every day pillar that they just hook up, you see one court this paper the way that they can share them, this gross them expedition as they write them, they bring her every day for quarter. Police them, gendarmes, they don't torment people for this, so the people don't go new bed sleep for prison. Just unnecessary torment them. Sometimes the day with the she don't self, you just see they just can't mark houses them. Mayor they say that people for quarter don't right for say some people then be for road. When all this woman in manipulations them. If they go take different set of people, they right send them for mayor. Then when we go see mayor now, you explain that mayor start surprise say, he say not be last na lie where they lie. Then we can she don't for situation. Even the person we say we land na autoton for douala we na notable. We all man know it. But at the end of it, no man they tell we whether we get for go left or we get for go right.
Well, you don't already give money now, all that.
Yeah, it give money and the woman it distribute them because we don't understand our rest and I say even for on that land. Even sometimes my house said they say if you don't just take them, it will say this piece of land don't give some magistrate. You got to fight with a magistrate. Dio then they don't get plotted for land for day. If you want to over argue, the woman they just cut the piece of land, he share me. So it not say get big people there for a back way. They poor people there they don't can buy for that environment. They don't get nothing for do. So at times with the one that Wusa would go for the country. Because if all we continue for relying and say, fine, we'll go for notaire. You even go see notaire because some of that will document them there. So when we buy, they will sign up for Dio's office. But at the end of the day, when they change Dio, now the next one he come, he tell when I say no, this one the work away paper, he talk saying that this is that they happen. You don't know where it happen. Then the woman they tell when I say when I can't rebuy for me. The price now we get for rebuy, we don't develop that land. It be about more than 5 times wait we don't buy the land before. So in fact, we'll there for Petit Bonanjode for Bac Matignon. All we don't confuse. And this woman get money, ambassador. If they bring caterpillar, if you bring 200 caterpillar, then it just feeds on area overnight. It ain't the bake no man. No man no there for stop it. So we don't just look the situation, we don't tire, we don't ask her whether we go see that the mommy start negotiate, but you did negotiate with in and how. We don't ask the papa will buy land. Papa wait to get for do, pass him wait, proceed for court. Proceed for court, but this woman the torment all man. It the work, it the sell land. When people like we don't buy for this papa, or won't put anything, it they go for gendarme, give money, they can't carry for their material, then carry people go lock up. I say people don't go new bed, so when it come on about they run enter his house. No man no one come out.
So he said they for the same soup as with these people them for Bojongo. Then say they suffer well. Na Douala and we also continue for talk say the land will the fight. Na so the land will go swallow it. Time will go come out for this planet Earth. And inside Tori for this afternoon, we go enter small for Palava for Northwest and Southwest. First, Ndongamen for people that they give them chair, send na them get for CC Northwest and Southwest. Etana back as we be day before Popcorn Star Halam. It be pass inside this week. Make we take on a go for Star Building for Yawende. Now for the way Chief for Cabinet inside Prime Minister office. Ebune Confiance, Ibishidon, for one side, Paul Tasson and even Organ John Donatus. Now them they get the power and they say 36 billion. Now money that they go use them for the first year where they get for lookouts, place the way the Chakara for Northwest and Southwest. According to what we got Paul Tasson will now be the head boy for make Northwest and Southwest. He turned back as we be there before they be Chakara for them. He said the first phase now for see as well they go talk with people them. It means they go talk with civil society organization. Talk even with the population so that it go call their heart say all thing where they want, all thing they plan for do am for day. Now thing where they go do am only when place it don't quiet and waiting be the thing where they plan for do. They never talk say that they go build some private money house where it born. No, that one you know they for their agenda. Thing where they na say waiting. If they be Chakara some hospital for some side, they go fix them. If some bridge they will be Chakara for some side, they go fix them. If some school is Chakara for some side, they fix them. And if was tap or water, it be cut for some side and for sika this thing, they go follow up for fix all that one them. Palava for people then so they sell or they farm, where they go farm, where they need for plant that thing. They say they go supply them with the fertilizer. That one now for say make their chop, it come up quickly. So now just some of the thing then that where they don't plan for do, so no be the palava for private house, but they say all did their work. It go dey okay. Now when place it don't quiet, and on top that one, now say they must to start with sensitize, they need for make people them for understand, and this one it go follow now after. But plenty people them they ask if nothing that way they get for do, it means say they still get long road for go for seek say some they still believe say place it never quiet. If Boya quiet, no be na Moyoka quiet. If Bamenda quiet, no be na Bafut, or no be na even Ambo e quiet. So plenty people them they ask who side they go do, and Sabi say 36 billion for first year, now inside 89 billion where they don't put them, say they go use them for fix northwest and southwest for turn back as a BDM before popcorn is hala for day. Evangelists, you don't hear the money where they don't plan them. And Oga Paul Tasson don't insist, and he don't continue for talk. They no go build my house if they be born my house. They no go build some person in house. But now that public place them where they be chakara, they go first attack them. But that one go only happen when peace you go don't enter. As soon peace you enter for society, they go for day.
Wait way try for talk. I think now they don't talk. It don't be very clear for me, because when they be talk say they go be those places them where they spoil for northwest and southwest. Question me I be asking, I say how they go first of all go there? Who said the one pass go there? Because only for commode Boya go Kumba, I no go lie you, it no easy, ambassador. If you commode Boya go Kumba, you come back, may you thank God. Then Kumba fee be fine. But if you go reach for a condo, Mbonge, all those other small places every day, you know they fine. So wait where you don't talk. I'll be very happy, because he make a very good statement. Say the girl for first go see people, then they talk. Make their heart first of all go before they fit start for do something. I think that the best thing that they fit do. But for say they go to build that house, then build those things and way. They never first talk for the people. They meet the people for that area, talk for them. I know lie you no go easy. But wait will get for do. Now only for pray say wait where they try for talk. How they go meet the people, then make you work.
This anything, this palaver we don't take, and we place it is also allowed the hearsay for that side for Foncha Street this morning time. Now some person where they work for judicial police office where they shoot since morning time Foncha Street. They say now only gone in the holla for the and the one for build back. Now good thing for say make place quiet.
Ambassador, if I give or talk anything for the palaver, may the peace first come. May they keep all that money. The money they will not say they may they just pile them. But may peace first reign. May we find solution for this particular problem. Because if solution no, there no need for making the budget money for go do be houses, be hospital, be road and all what not. May peace never day. May peace reign. Because if peace no reign, nothing no the way go take place. And for stop the particular problem, they get long way for go. May they find the solution they will need them for this country. All man not tired, ambassador. I got reached up last 2 weeks. For commode Bamenda reached up, it not be easy, because shooting me the end of the whole morning. That's all houses then get holes in. We one can reach when they see no motor. Driver get for stop, because we get for park with all motor for Bamenda town. We did the work out littoral motor inside Northwest anyhow. They go catch you. So we get for park now, hire na bus where they run that road. It can't we go down from top, but we not see no other motor. So we reach on top town, we get for stop. Driver say, "Una wait, something be wrong." He calls on boy. He actually say, "Now wait till the happen, boy." He say, since morning, that means since 5 a.m. to about 10 a.m. Say serious shooting for down there. So you go pass for outside as my brother don't ask her for go begin the do other investment there, or carry that money go begin do ways we get for do. So make peace first reign. May they find a solution for this problem. There we go. She don't. Yes, the Anglophone fight crisis don't finish. All man go thank God, because all we want na peace. The whole economy they down. May they not lie someone. But wait to say this is no concern. It concern all we, because you go be Marseille Central for Douala here. All commerçants they cry. All we all over the feel they pinch them. So we just pray say first before they want to talk about other reconstruction. May they find a solution. We see them put an end to the Anglophone crisis. We will bring out these boys them, our brothers them, we'll not fit throw away them. We'll find way, come to terms with them, we'll end the problem. Then that time now, all we fit she done now, we'll find way for raise the money, then we'll be all within the will be those spoiler.
All right, and some people them they check saying na some small traps where they don't give from other porters. Some say they don't give trap. The money when you hear the money plenty. Saying a small trap, but we sabi say na man way he don't manage plenty thing. The money go fit for manager. When you see him, you check say them too. I don't know how much you sabi Paul Tasson and John Donatus where they give them that power. You check say they go fit for hold this thing like man boy them.
Ambassador, honest person na honest person. You no need for money. No get to frighten anybody. In as much as you be honest, if you manage the money.
Yeah.
If they be very honest, na me, I fit take the money, keep am. When solution not there, that I will move the money because no need no them you go risk your neck for something. If na trap where they trap them, na me the person will certainly fail for inside that particular trap.
Okay, so you overtrust Mr. Potterson, Oga Potterson.
Not be trust. I say if na
Okay.
me. I say if.
Okay,
If I
if
be
na
there for a
you.
place,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
If na trap where they trap me, then the person will certainly fail because
Wait, me,
that
I
money no go move me.
Wait, they sweet me for a government and say they give the responsibility then. Now for Anglophone then.
Yes, na anglophone them. Na only una take about soft.
Now you hear ambassador to whether na trap because okay. More just pray. We'll continue with the put up for prayer. Say the discussion where the one get out with people them first for talk with them. May it start from there. It work. We don't just see what will happen for Manfe. You see because
the mayor.
yes, the mayor way. But me too. Sometimes ambassador ask question. That mayor be going na you one. I don't ask that question. No man never answer me because I dey go call you. You come out. You dey go and for your village place where I hear say na the way you grow na your area. You come out the go. I don't ask and say na you want go because I know say if you go with maybe with military and the rest, at least some defense go be because we don't hear of governor
we be get two parts for that story.
Okay.
First part they talk say go one, but another part they talk say they go with two gendarmes them. So they say they shoot two gendarmes, then they be get caught. So now the circumstance or how he wakari show they will never sabi. But the two version they tell we say one it be going one, and the other one na say be go two gendarmes they wait them two they be get caught, but the mayor will not be fit for stand with his own court. Well, but we sabi say when they go that kind of play normal they be get gun proof and all that thing they depend on side they shoot.
Ambassador, I guess something for talk with this palaver. The bitter reality na say as my brother talks in an area where the boy grow dey. This crisis don't make am see plenty people there that we don't bear grudge for too long. So one feature being as some person we don't get problem. You may be from childhood. If you see the belly, I see come. You don't hold gun now. They just come out, they attack, they kill, they do anything.
Okay, what you mean say the people that be calling maybe they be sincere say
no they calling and they just
and you know
that's what I mean. I say plenty people then they with they just revenge on top things they won't really understand anymore.
No, now yeah, the accent say that means if it be true, say the boys that they be calling say the one surrender their guns.
And if it be now
if
why
it
that way,
true,
now
then-
why that way,
If it
now
be
why that
na
way-
trap.
Wait, now why that way they talk for English? For Queen Elisa say alleged. It means say na people then we maybe na them and maybe no
No
them.
be
So
them.
since
Yes.
this thing come, you get people that they call you to say I be this general, I be this man.
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
sometimes they be
Hey.
not just tip people.
Yeah,
that-
na
true. Yes.
Plenty
Sometimes
don't
they
come
will
out.
need the support to.
No,
yeah,
no,
I
not
just
true.
say some people that they call you claim say they be.
We
they
no
no
be.
They don't
Okay.
be them.
So if you see happen say na some person too, if you don't get a
grudge for a belle.
macabo for it,
Okay.
then he just with the talk Ashia die
For that
die,
family.
yes, die in a family.
And
Well,
maybe na the youngest.
Mayor.
mayor
Mayor.
yeah, for inside Cameroon.
Cameroon.
Well, we go take una go for Coupe Maningoba for Mwambong for that side inside the week to it happen. We be here say 17 of this boy they be so whole gun for bush from Mwambong. They be left their gun them. Now we got senior divisional officer Jean-Marie Chakwi and other big people them from Mwambong. They be show am for we. And according to way the boy then say where they left gun they talk. They say they pick gun them for fight against country for Sika say waiting number 1. Wrote for inside Coupe Maningoba Iwowo. They get fine ground where if they plant chop it go come out fine. But when who side road day for carry that chop them go for sale they fit for sell. Now one of the big problem then that way the boy then talk say they like saying gomna you know the one look at people them for Coupe Maningoba. Now one of the vex that the boy then talk to say they pick gun for say plenty of them the day where they get certificates or one them decree them where they day for inside house they know they do no nothing even if they plan say they want go work for farm they no get support when they fit start for work the farm. They show say that one. They be don't forget them. So now just some of the things then that way they talk say if governor a try for member for do am, then even the other people there they for bush with a gun, they go level. Now the two things then that way they put them for before. Palava saying governor know the support and even wrote where you know they for inside Bangem Kupe Maningoba division.
Ambassador, the truth way they about this issue for Anglophone. For Dangdave, Anglophone side, the Northwest and the Southwest. One of them, Narot. I believe say if things they be fine, they were brought enough to wake up for this kind of thing. Unof it be, now for that side way, many things that they come out. Cocoa will get them. Planty, it come out. In short, timber, they come out for day. Then the road will war. So if the boys they don't can drop, they're going to say, now the thing that be make them the vex. Then I think so the earlier where they fit start, they make a project like what was how they do have a limbe the other day. May no job in a camouflage with people they go work out for street. Say they don't declare when a true Papa don't really talk.
Yeah,
say,
he don't talk.
Yeah, Papa don't talk. But I believe say make immediately they start the work. May no pass 2-3 months. When our brothers and start to see how the contractors and they come, they put the caterpillar, they start to do something there. Please go start for the return. So if they say they leave the gun, they be enter bush because of that. And now they don't come back, drop their gun, then make the government take a step. Because Kupe Maningoba na area way wonderful. For Southwest, we don't fit talk again now. All this plan to the chop of Douala and the Common day. In short, many things that the endurance for Douala here, it come out, it pass through Loom for come here. Some they pass through Manjo, is it Manjo? The other place of the Melon for come here. So if our brother they talk saying that the problem that I beg, may our government made a deal for they quickly write to the people that for up, say I beg for say we get that piece for here completely. These people that don't give me the book. If we feel fulfill them. If the brother start to see after 1 year, things don't start being in order, you will see peace go start restored. Small, gradually. Corona don't can make our things say that thing they continue. Not lie, they continue. They continue, the fight still day. We hear every day. Now that's how I grow.
All right. Now, Sister Ernestine, more than 25 days already passed since we even findings there from Gambu till we happen for the we sabi. But people that is also talk say certain now action never happen for the commander. They when gun na be passing they go do say they know the show no nothing now. You get this boy the way they say they be hold gun, they don't leave them, they don't talk which way they want. Waiting like mommy or person for Cameroon if you talk.
Ambassador, that Gambu situation, it be really pain me for heart like mommy picking because when I be see that innocent picking the way they die, it be really worry me. I be get like 2 sleeping days, sleepless nights, and one no sleep because when you see those innocent picking, I ask and say firstly, that picking they don't grow now for inside that village. You first see the houses the way they kill them for front. It shows that they never ever get no enjoyment. Which crime they commit before they can't kill them? They don't ever commit no crime. These military then too where they really take heart. Like people they don't ever born or they not be parents them. They go there, they take time, kill this picking them. Say they be try for frame up, whether they frame up na separatists or they do na waiting. No man, no. Ask yourself and say, wait till that innocent picking them do you. Now they don't kill them, they don't bury them. They paint they inside plenty Cameroonians. Any man will know say he get blood for his skin. You see that situation it go hurt you. But when so the ask now and say those military we get last time say they don't take them, they be go for military tribunal. No ambassador.
No, they be talk say they go.
They don't go judge them. We want to see what will go happen. Because me I believe say if government really want make Cameroonian them start give them trust back. When they do the judgment, may they show Cameroonians the way they could do. Because me I believe say that one crime against humanity. They get for surely put some of them because shooting now understand me. I don't know what they fit do for punish the kind of people there. But for me, may they punish them so that other one they go learn. You never just you don't go enter some village just to commit crime. You be military man, you get for protect, you get for defend. At first they start denying say no be them. Then now they don't do investigation, can't come out saying at them. We know one may take much time, but just beg government. May they make a move, get back that trust. Then move feel satisfied to say they don't punish them for what way they do.
All right. Thank you. And Palava for Northwest Southwest for one side. We will also continue for look as we continue them. We go talk small on top this Palava for Corona where they happen for we country. And Warren, make we take people then go for Bafusam. Make we take people then go Bafusam. Well, first we go talk this Palava for Nkunkuma Sabisi inside this week. It be give 5,000 tin them with the use and test for skin. But this one for Bafusam country people them now this Palava with some uniform man, he take gun, he shoots some boy, wey be the work for a workplace. We hear say the boy be the play card, na the card and that. Now for a workplace, he be just the relax up for sick as a work no day. Now place where they kick out, where the boy be the play card. He one, he know they na for high place. Say uniform man enter, he shoot him for hate. The boy die. Population to provoke. He block roads. After them block roads, now so too they go for hospital for sorry die body day. They chakara two motor them for near them. Inside this week, governor for West Region, our Fonka Augustine, he be go for family house for go talk Asia for the family. Now the young boy that yes say the tuna medicine for this side be only the pastime for time we work. You know they are school in over there plenty now. This other palaver will happen. We hear say they already summons a uniform man for Yawinde, but they say the man they service now. Say the man be get open eye over for West Region.
Ambassador Nason they coach them that what they talk. They use power for coach other people they no get power. Because what did this boy do? As you talk, the boy he do na medicine.
And
he can do na part-time job.
Yeah.
Okay, he were the honest now. He know there for Northwest, he know there for Southwest. Which crime he commit? He don't can't the pass it time. He just should you can't enter, you kill it. Because if not for that one area, they go frame you up. Say sometimes you do na some bad thing, or maybe say you be that people. But now this boy, he don't she done for inside Bafusam. He be hard working. What did he do for this particular policeman? And some of the things they know what they talk. Whether na gendarme. May government may no waste time. Because when we start take them, say we go lock and with the judge and with the waiting, may they give them the punishment where they deserve them. Because na human life that we don't lost. You know go ever come back.
Evangelist?
I never really know which way that boy really. Oh, this country, we hear terrible things. What other man that and that man too, we don't take na unko na wait you. I don't know what have you talk.
Because you know na even palava for woman.
Because if funny, man go be the play, cat no be batting. That place no be Jambo place. Now place where they kick cow. They don't show you how they carry cows and for day. And the cat no really be say my the play card means that my the play TI, the play fab. You know what I mean? Nothing that we don't do at that time. So if it be for that place, if the play card, you want. If it be nothing like say na bad boy, if for the plan with two or three different friends, over some hiding place. But you know if first of all the play you want because the boy be there now you want it the resty. Then you just enter one time we gone, wow, you shoot it. If this be happen for Southwest or Northwest. Nothing no do for talk. They don't just take and they just turn and say, "Now, I beg, I trust this government. I trust our government very well because some things they do they investigate as small, but this one will not get for investigate as small. May they just take that particular man, give you the punishment where he deserve him. Because the family look that kind of young boy they study medicine. I mean, just imagine how many people the way their lives could be frustrated because this small man will go fulfill a vision and. Imagine how many people would will benefit if this small man be fulfill vision will be the study medicine and tomorrow become that person where one be. So please, this kind of thing of it continue inside our own country.
All right, last story, last thing we'll go talk. I shall try for talk. Now this palava for Corona. We already talked chapter for school. We school says we sabi say academic year already finished for people there they know the right exam. But we sabi say this week minister for sick people, Dr. Malauda Malashi, he be get 5,000 test kits them. Nothing where they check you Corona whether it did for your skin and you check see the result 15 minutes after. No be that way they will take your blood. They go to they keep them 48 hours, 72 hours after before they get. Now some of the dash in that when Kunkuma begin and as we commander a day, he must to pass through Tango office, Ministry for Territorial Administration, Iduam, Igiam for Minister for Sick People, Dr. Malauda Malashi, where they talk for use and test people them and under 15 minutes results it go come out as we Tori enter for we and we as well sabi inside this week. Louis Paul Mutaze when I be the minister minister wey dey look out money for country. He say na 800 billion with this corona thing. It don't make Cameroon Benin people them. They lost am as we tori enter for we ear. Sister Ernestine, small talk. We dey almost finish. On top this business end, 800 billion money wey Cameroon don't lost am for Sika corona.
Ambassador, that money where you call am, for me, even small. Because true, if you see where to make Cameroonians that don't loss of rest, and most companies and they go on, most workers in their house. If one company, let's say for 1 month, if you get for produce things that he sell them for market, if they make how much turnover, he pay he workers, and that workers and take that money, he can't feed their own families. Then economy they turn. If you can see and answer, they say, okay, they close all things. Because first and foremost, people not get for join, they not get for plenty for one place. Secondly, market no they will go even go sell this particular goods. Market then be locked up. Or if market then get for sell, they sell for some particular time then they close. So business no the turn. It don't make up for where economy will really get for go down. Where no day. But this gives the way they say they can't give ambassador. If I fit talk on top, that give them a fine gift for test them. But wait till be the hope say what country go do now and say we'll be able to find a solution whether officers get treatment for the sick for inside our country.
Yeah.
As way other countries them like Madagascar, they don't get solution. We don't yet say this with Reverend Father too for here Archbishop.
His Grace Samuel Kleda.
Well, I say
it. Say even person like Dr. Futu, we don't get it own as
yes.
well.
So
well, the Christ program don't finish. All right, we don't almost finish. So Sister Nessie will come next time. Evangelist, last talk.
Ambassador, which one me I talk now?
As I be say, I had the verse.
Yes, my day. I want to give my mommy way to watch me right now, Mama do. Now mommy over like it.
Okay.
This is no. So I salute all that.
All right, Sister Ernestine will get another time and we'll get plenty time. We'll go surely meet up.
okay, Ambassador.
All right.
I salute all man too.
All right, thank you plenty. Warren Zede, thank you to Ledu, Malice, and Steve Romeo Ebule, where they be put on for here. New broadcast, he go there for Sunday for some time, for people that they don't be get time for look. We this also continue for talk Asia. We hear say Prophet Franklin Afan Tifo. He died this Saturday, but we never confirm wait he kill him on top this palaver. Wanna hold him tight, sote for Monday.